So one of the things that you always hear about is how much time it takes to make a video, right? So we thought, well, that's a great challenge. Let's actually document from start to finish how long does it take us to do a vlog style video. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go to an auto museum that's locally here. We've got to drive a little bit. So in fairness, it's a 20 to 25 minute drive as well, but that's okay. We're going to factor that in. We're going to use the timer on my phone. All right, so we're going to start right now. We just filled up with gas and we're going to take off and we're going to show you start to finish what does it take to edit, create, and produce a vlog like what we do on a normal basis. So here we go. So that was a cool auto museum. They were really friendly. They let us do all kinds of filming, told us we could do as much as we wanted. We flew the drone outside a little bit, as you saw, and we are at 1 hour, 56 minutes. And that included all the time we spent doing that, so we're carrying on. It should be known that we're even gonna stop and include in our time going through the McDonald's drive-thru for Liam. So drive-thru time is included in this video edit. We are back, so now it's time to dump footage and begin the edit and song choice and all that stuff. So here we go. Okay, so we just finished up the edit and review and all that stuff. The only thing we have left is to put this piece of footage at the end, put an intro and an outro, and we'll be ready to go. I want to stop this and show you, if you can see that, 5 hours, 49 minutes is what it took. That included the drive time, which total was probably about, I would say 50 minutes total, something like that, to 25 minutes to get over there, 25 minutes to get back or so. So there was some drive time in there, plus the McDonald's drive-thru. It just gives you an idea of how much time it takes to create these videos. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.